going to take a look at the motor trainer. It's very similar to the others, has the same click PLC. It has two inputs that go to the PLC, X1 and X2. It has this VFD, which is discretely wired to the PLC via this wiring system. And so that means we're going to be turning on outputs to make this activate. Now, the main start signal is tied to our Y1, so I have this program. And to connect it, we're going to have to, again, if we are connected to something, we're going to have to disconnect. I'm currently hooked to a different processor. I'm going to move now the cable. Again, I like to use the top port and connect. It'll probably find, again, COM4, and we'll hit connect. It's connected. I'm going to change the run switch here because I left it there, and now it's in run mode. Now, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to go program. You should do this when you start, is go to program parameter 9, and then go to parameter 9.08, and I'm going to put in the number 99. As you recall, these things work on parameters, and you'll see a funny little blink, perhaps, and that tells you that it's reset the parameters. That way you know this, and you'll have to modify parameters for it to listen to its input and outputs. So in this case, I'm going to run the program, and there we see is Y1 coming on over here? Yeah?
You didn't write it.
Oh, and I didn't write this in, so it's just waiting. So I go again to PLC, write project. Another way I tell I'm not looking at it, so I always look at the end and it should be blue. That's two conditions. I have to be connected and I have to have status monitor on. So over here, there's a status monitor, and if I click this twice, it no longer monitors the status. They have a shortcut here as well for status monitor, but it is blue, so I know I'm monitoring the program. I'm going to push X1. Y1 did come on the PLC, but the motor didn't, because I'm telling the motor right now to operate from the front panel. You'll have to use the programming manual to be able to change that, and those are usually in the area, or you can pull it up on the web. Okay, so